There's a moment when a space stops feeling like an RV and starts feeling like home. Introducing the all-new Montana 3900 RK, designed for those who expect more comfort, more function, more freedom. At the heart of it all, a rear kitchen that redefines what's possible on the road. A chef-inspired U-shaped design surrounded by expansive views, with the space, storage, and craftsmanship to bring every meal to life. Step forward, and the living space opens up around you. An L-shaped sofa built for real relaxation, with recliners, a sleeper, and room for everyone. Across from it, a 65-inch entertainment experience powered by JBL sound. Light pours in through towering 7-foot slides, revealing a space that works as beautifully as it lives, with a dedicated dinette and a true workstation. And just when you think it couldn't offer more, a built-in beverage bar invites you to slow down, pour a glass, and stay a while. Every detail intentional. An oversized half bath, thoughtfully placed. Optional washer and dryer on the main level, freeing up even more room in a master suite designed to impress, with a massive walk-in closet and a dual vanity bath that feels anything but ordinary. And outside, the experience continues. Seamless storage with pull-out trays, front and rear. And a 50-inch exterior TV, because the best views aren't always inside. This isn't just a new floor plan, it's a new way to live.
Keystone. Proven in the wild.